Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. After the hustle and bustle of the day, retreat to your in-town resort home, which is located in the upscale neighborhood of Smokey Vale, St. Andrew. This exquisite, well-appointed family home with additional room for guests is the perfect haven. It sits on 0.63 acres of land. This luxurious home is approximately 8,000 square feet and features 7 generously spaced bedrooms, 7.5 spa-like ensuite bathrooms, open concept kitchen with granite countertops, living and dining rooms, TV room, huge double car garage, and a driveway that can fit multiple cars. There is also a helper's quarters, laundry room, and so much more. If relaxation is what you need, then come home. As you enter your foyer, and an in-house waterfall feature greets you. Then retreat to an elevated entertainment paradise consisting outdoor pool, hot tub, bar, and kitchen, surrounded by breathtaking mountain views. This property is not smoky, it is sizzling hot. Book an appointment today and come experience luxury at its best. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $330 million or US $2.14 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.